Delivering a certificate of completion with your course doesn't have to be complicated. Whether you're a seasoned instructor or just getting started, I'll walk you through the process in this quick 3-minute guide. By the end, you'll know exactly how to give your students a polished and professional certificate that adds credibility to your course and makes your learners feel accomplished. First, let's talk about the importance of delivering a certificate of completion. It's not just a nice to have, it's a key part of offering value to your students. It adds an element of recognition and accomplishment that motivates learners to complete the course. Plus, it's a fantastic way to showcase your course's credibility and professionalism. To get started, you'll want to choose the right software for creating and delivering the certificates. After trying the most popular tools out there, I recommend a specific software that will save you time and hassle when generating certificates for your course. You can get an exclusive free trial for this software, available only to my viewers, in the description below if you want to follow along. Now let's get into the step-by-step process. The first thing you'll need to do is design your certificate. You want it to reflect your course's branding and look professional. The software we're using has easy-to-use templates, but you can also fully customize it to fit your style. Choose a template that suits the tone of your course, and don't forget to add fields for the student's name, the course title, the completion date, and of course, your signature. Next, you'll need to automate the process of delivering the certificate. The best way to do this is by setting up an automation that triggers the certificate to be sent once the student completes the course. With our recommended software, this process is seamless. Once the student finishes the final module or quiz, the certificate is automatically generated and emailed to them. No extra work for you. You'll also want to make sure that the certificate includes some form of verification. This adds credibility and helps students prove their achievements to others. With the software we're using, you can add a verification link to the certificate, which allows anyone to check its authenticity by visiting a web page. This small feature can go a long way in boosting your course's reputation. Finally, ensure that you're tracking all certificates you issue. The software we'll be using also gives you a dashboard, where you can see how many certificates have been delivered and to which students. This keeps everything organized, so you can track progress and follow up if necessary. Key takeaway. The key takeaway from this video is that delivering a certificate of completion is not only simple, but also an important way to add value and credibility to your course. By automating the process, you save time while ensuring your students get the recognition they deserve. To quickly recap the main points. 1. Choose the right software to generate and deliver certificates. 2. Design a professional certificate that reflects your course's branding. 3. Automate the delivery process to save time and effort. 4. Include verification to boost credibility. 5. Track your issued certificates for better organization. Don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial for the software in the description below, and thanks for watching.